Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since my last video. I think it's been close to a month. Around this time of the year is when my job and animals require most of my attention. So I didn't really have the time to really record, or I wasn't really motivated to record and edit a video together, but today is the day, okay? So what should we start off with? I think we're gonna start off with hand feeding some birds. So I'll show you guys how I do that. I just pulled out some babies from a nest box, so I have them in there too. It's a couple green cheeks and cockatiels. Y'all see that? So a couple turquoise green cheeks and cockatiels. Now for the cockatiels, I have a whole bunch of colors from this clutch. So I have the pearls, and then I have the cinnamons. What else do I have? I have the pieds. And this is all from the same clutch. So it's amazing how one clutch can have such a huge variety. And then we have the cute little green cheeks. Hi. So for green cheeks, I have 4 green cheeks. We're gonna start off by feeding the pileated parakeets. Actually, you know what? I wanna show you guys how they look like. Look at that. They're adorably ugly, literally. This is pretty much for all parrot species. They'll bob their head like this when they're ready to eat. And that's when I go ahead and inject the food into the crop. Good baby. You're a good baby, you are, yeah. All right, next, come on. Yeah, what's up? All right, we're gonna put this one to the side. Come on. I know you're hungry, yeah. When they get their adult plumage, they're honestly one of the most attractive birds that I've ever seen, especially the males. So I have 3 species of parrots right here. I have a green cheek, a lorikeet, and a nande that I've been raising together since day 1. Okay, we got the feeding response. All right, let's try to feed this one. Come on. Yeah. Good baby. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my God, nandes are honestly, you hear that? Oh, you're so cute. Yes, yes. Right now it's cute, but once they're adults and they start screaming for no reason, that's when it becomes annoying. Hi. And lastly, it's the lorikeet. All right, these babies are all done. I don't know if you noticed, but behind me I have some quail that just hatched. I think 4 hatched. Oh my God, they're so adorable. Hi. And I have eggs at different stages. So I pretty much have babies hatch every other day or so. And once they hatch, I move them into the brooder outside. I do find these guys to be very, very jumpy. So I don't know how I'm gonna film this, honestly. I think I'm gonna set my camera down and grab them. Let's go. Come on. Oh my God, I don't want any to jump out. Okay, so I grabbed one. I'm gonna grab them one at a time. Okay, I had to do a redo because my phone ran out of storage and I had to delete a whole bunch of stuff, but let's try this again. Come on, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God. They all just came out. Oh my God, let me get my phone. Y'all see how cute this is? Oh my God. Okay, I need to put my phone down because I don't want them to jump off the table. And now that I took the chicks out of the incubator, I'm gonna go ahead and put them into the brooder. This is some DIY brooder that I made using a guinea pig cage that I had laying around. I did make sure to secure it with some hardware cloth because I've had incidents where these chicks jump out and they become cat food. Now, I like to raise them using the Purina Game Bird starter, which has 30% protein. And I pretty much feed that their entire life, except during breeding season is when I incorporate a layer crumble for extra calcium. Now the brooder, I have a heat bulb that's set to 95 to 98 degrees Fahrenheit. That way they can choose if they want to stay warm or go on the cooler side. By 2 to 3 weeks, I take them out the brooder just because quails grow really fast, and by that time they have a full set of feathers. Anyways, I pretty much repeat this cycle throughout breeding season, which is usually from early May to end of July, probably early August. A hen can easily give me up to 60 eggs in a season, so I just try to hatch as many as I can from my 2 females. Now last year, I only had 1 hen and she produced a total of 54 babies, I believe, which is crazy. Usually in the wild, they only produce 1 or 2 clutches, so that averages to a total of around 20 chicks if you're lucky. But that's it for today, guys. I know I kept this video really short and I apologize about that. I also do want to give a big thank you to my handful of subscribers from my first video. I honestly really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video by hand feeding some more babies because in case you didn't realize, hand feeding here is done round the clock and I never catch breaks, but I'm not complaining. I love what I do and I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.